today discuss about how to Windows 10 11 activate. A problem come in laptop and desktop. Active Windows screen appeared and we cannot change desktop themes or wallpaper. How to Windows 10 or 11 activate when anyone install a piracy Windows or any datetime change, your legal version Windows or illegal version Windows, a problem appear on the screen active Windows. Then we cannot change our desktop or laptop wallpaper or cannot change any theme on desktop or laptop. How can we solve this? At first, go to Startup, right click on Startup menu in Windows 10 or 11, laptop or desktop. Go to Windows PowerShell Admin, click on it, open Windows PowerShell menu, ps/Windows/system32: a comment right after this, IRM space https:// get.activate.win space /IEX space IEX. Press enter. Windows processing activation and a pop-up windows come. This is activation windows. 1 HWID Windows, 2 OHWK Office, 3 TS Fuji Windows Office ESU, 4 KMS 38 Windows, 5 Online KMS Windows Office, 6 check activation status, 7 change Windows edition, 8 change Office edition, 9 troubleshoot E extra 8 help 0 exit. I press 1 for Windows active. Now process running. View successfully activated my Windows. Close all windows. Exit from command prompt. Exit from PowerShell prompt. Right click on desktop. Go to personalize. Go to themes. Change your themes. Now themes are changing and background also changing. Now windows are activated and active windows pop up not come. Restart computer or laptop. Now windows working. Okay. Thank you for watching.